Hi balloon mates! In this video, I will decorate my 180 by 90 shimmer wall. I'll start up from making small clusters of 6 balloons. I made some clusters with large balloon and some without. I am going to attach my first cluster at the bottom, behind the panel, securing the cluster with a 260. The colors that I used are Shell, Misty Rose, and Wine, all from GEMAR. I am going to attach the next cluster beside the first cluster using 260s. In this video, I'm not going to use the neck-to-neck technique because I'm having issues with my right shoulder. So I just choose an easier way, but I'm going to use a lot 260s here. I want my large balloon touching the floor, so I am manipulating some of the small balloons to make the large balloon touch the ground. Next, I put another cluster on the top of the first cluster that I secured, making sure that they are behind the backdrop or behind the panel. I secured the last cluster, tying it to the stand. On the other side, I want the balloons slightly forward, so I secured my first base cluster in front of the stand. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Like, comment, and share so you can help me grow this channel. Please! Adding another cluster beside it. Same as I did on the other side, I stacked up some clusters on top of the first cluster that I secured. If there is one thing you should remember in this video, if you add another cluster, make sure that you won't cover the cluster that you already fixed. In this way, your garland will appear layered. If you are going to make the base wider, always remember to bring the new cluster behind to make it look layered, as I've said before. To balance the look, I added some clusters on this top corner, and I minimize the use of large balloons so it won't appear very bulky on the top. I always make sure that the large balloons are facing forward or facing the front. Now the triplet with rubber bands. Be sure that the necks are hidden. Then I added artificial gypsophilia. So here's my small but elegant balloon decor. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye!